The number one issue is how much money am I going to get in my personal injury or accident case, and how long is it going to take? How long is my lawsuit going to take? When am I going to get my money? So I was thinking about it and I thought it was funny. What if there was a lawyer that would say, I'm going to get you a little bit of money, just a little bit of money, like not very much, but it's going to take a long, long time. It's going to take me 5 years to get you that $5,000. Would anybody want to go to that lawyer? No, right? Because everybody wants their money quickly and everybody wants as much money as possible. Because you've been injured, it's a life-changing forever injury, and they've taken something from you. They've taken your life, your liberty, your happiness, your ability to live a pain-free life, right? And to enjoy yourself. And so what is that all worth, and how quickly can you get compensated? To compend is to balance. So to compensate someone is to balance all of the harms and losses that they thrust into your life unnaturally. Well, now they have to balance that out. And the only way the law does it is with financial compensation. Meaning, we don't go out and break the leg of the guy who rear-ended you. A doctor who makes a medical malpractice doesn't lose his or her license. The only remedy is money, financial compensation, because there's no eye for an eye situation in America. So I thought it was interesting, and the way to do it as quickly as possible is just to be confident in your case and to be aggressive. And what I mean by that is, look, if you just start trying to settle a case without even filing a lawsuit and you just write them a letter, it's like you're just throwing one up there and hoping it lands, right? Just throwing up something against the wall and hoping that something will stick. And it may stick, maybe, but the chances are pretty low. Or it's like a Hail Mary in a game. You throw up the Hail Mary, maybe someone's gonna catch it, but the chances are low. And so the insurance companies know that because they're billion-dollar companies and they're all about managing their risk. So when they see a lawyer, they'll immediately look, is this a trial lawyer? What's their record of verdicts and settlements? How many have they had? How many million-dollar verdicts have they had? And how much are they asking for? And do they even litigate? Do they even file lawsuits? Do they follow up? They have all this documented, right? They have all this history, this data, this analytics. And so if your lawyer is not a litigator, not a trial attorney, and they're trying to settle the case before even filing a lawsuit, usually the insurance company will lowball them, just give them like a little bit, like $10,000, $20,000, never the big money. And so the important thing to do is to file the lawsuit and be aggressive, like answer all the discovery quickly, be proactive in the litigation. Don't sit back and wait for things to happen, make things happen. Take care of discovery, have a plan, do depositions of non-parties. Of course, prepare the client for the deposition, the plaintiff. Take depositions of important defendants, take depositions of important non-parties or witnesses. And then once there's enough evidence to see what this case is worth based on a thorough review, what you need to do is you need to give them a number and say, look, this case is worth X. And X is usually a large amount if it's a serious, life-changing, forever injury. X could be, for example, $1 million. And if they pay it within 30 days, fine, the case is settled. And if they don't, then you say, I'm gonna take this case to a jury, it's gonna go all the way to trial. And at trial, we're not gonna be talking about this number anymore because this is an opportunity that's only exists for 30 days. At trial, it'll be 3 million, right? And so this way, you're negotiating from a position of strength, you believe in your case, you don't want them to call your bluff and to say, okay, fine, try the case, and then you're like stuck without the million and you're too afraid to go to court and get the 3. You have to really mean it and be willing to follow through on what you write in the letter. And that way, everything happens quickly. A lot of these cases settle within those 30 days, so it's very quick. And they settle for big numbers, like I've settled them for $750,000, $850,000, $1 million, even more than $1 million. I settled one for $2.7 million using this method. The point is that it really gets you what you want, which is the top monetary amount, right? As much money as you can get, as an injury victim, and it gets it to you as quickly as possible so you don't have to wait. I hope this was helpful. Let us know what questions you have. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We are here for you.